So I'm gonna stand down there. Right here. Put the net on the back just in case. Daiwa Prawn BaitJunkie with Emeraldas sets, reel and rod. Cast to that corner there. Wait for it to drop. The target species will be flathead, hopefully jewfish, salmon, trevally. We're playing it on the bottom here, so more chance to get attention of Mr. Flathead. Seems like they're not at home. Where are they? Haven't been to this spot for a very long time now. Oh, couple bites. Yep, there you go. Flatty or tailors? Just between that. Tailors. See ya. Look at what it did to the leaders. Still okay though. Usually when there's one, there's more. Oh, there you go. That's a good size. Hook on the belly. Yep. Now this is a different species. Could be flathead. No. Tight still. Come off. Oh, there's a bubble there. There's a bubble there. I see a bubble. Cast to the bubble. Wait for it to sink. 2 seconds. 1, 2. There you go. Oh, come on. There you go. See? Come off. Let's try again. came off. %. Let's try again. If that was a flatty, it'll come back again. See? Oh, came off. Must be just a tailor then. Let's see if it wants it again. That was a definitely a tailor. Just all you need to do is checking the line. If the line get pulled like aggressively, this means something's on it. I just leave it on the bottom and it just attack. See the line? There you go. Typical tailors. Naughty. See ya. It's on it's on the bottom now. Yep, something on it. Must be the tailors. You could see the line got pulled before. Yep, oh, there you go. Oh, came off. Please don't destroy my leaders. Okay, leader is fine. Wow. Destroy. Must be a big chopper. There should be more. Just a baby. Yeah. Once tailor here, usually there should be more around there. Indoor Sydney fishing with Owen and Al.
Check out these other videos.
Come on, don't be shy.